Hello friends, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download Roblox. First of all, open the Play Store app on your device, then tap on the search button at the bottom right corner. In the search bar, type Roblox and you should see the official Roblox app in the search results. Next, tap on the Roblox app and then tap the install button to start the download process. The app will begin downloading and it may take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, the app will automatically install on your device. After installation, open the Roblox app and log into your account or sign up if you don't have one yet. Once you are logged in, you can start exploring all the games Roblox has to offer, or you can create your own world and share it with others. If you encounter any issues during the download, make sure your device has enough storage space and that your internet connection is stable. If the download doesn't start, try restarting your device and attempting it again. And that's it. Now you know how to download Roblox. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. And make sure to tap the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.